What happens when the legality of extending the lifespan of bond notes comes into question? In a surprising turn of events, former Mount Pleasant Member of Parliament Fadzai Mahere has challenged Central Bank Governor John Mushayavanhu's decision to circulate bond notes alongside the newly introduced Zimbabwe Gold, or ZiG. Mahere argues that the governor lacks the authority to reverse the law. Interestingly, the governor made a U-turn on his own monetary policy statement issued recently, in which he expressed an intention to extend the lifespan of bond notes, which were supposed to cease as legal tender on the 30th of April this year. Mushayavanhu initially stated that the Zimbabwe dollar and bond notes would circulate until the end of April 2024, after which they would no longer be legal tender. However, during a recent interview with local radio station Star FM, the newly appointed RBZ chief backtracked, announcing that bond notes and the ZWL will continue to be used indefinitely and co-circulate with the new ZiG currency. The governor explained that the central bank is allowing the use of bond notes alongside other forms of currencies to prevent individuals, particularly those in rural areas, from being stuck with unusable currency. He also mentioned that a specific date for the discontinuation of bond notes would be announced at a later stage. But Mahere questioned this decision, labeling it as embarrassing and unlawful for the governor to change the law during a radio interview. She pointed out that the governor's extension of the ZWL is illegal as a matter of law. Mahere warned that such a blunder not only undermines confidence in the entire project, but also raises questions about the governor's competence and effective leadership. She stressed the importance of those promoting the ZiG currency to demonstrate a clear understanding of the legal framework underpinning its creation and operation. In summary, this controversial decision by the governor to extend the lifespan of bond notes has sparked heated debate and raised significant legal questions. It also underscores the importance of adhering to the legal frameworks that govern currency circulation. The coming days will undoubtedly shed more light on this unfolding situation. Until then, the future of Zimbabwe's currency remains uncertain.